Hey you guys, I just purchased some cherry pop hair. So watch this video and you guys will see how I install it in my hair and how great it looks. So this cherry pop hair, let's get right into it. So they gave me this receipt and this flyer, and it comes with this really cute little pink bag. So I purchased two bundles, a 26 and a 24, and I got the deep curly single bundle hair. They have like package deals where you can buy like 3 or 4 packages all at once, but I decided to buy single individual because I like doing a layer thing. You guys will see in the pictures once I install it in my hair. So it comes in this cute little pink bag, and they label it. So this is the 24 deep curly from Cherry Pop company based out of New York. So this is what it looks like. It's a good bundle. I put in the notes that I want the tips to be like really curly so it'll blend in with my hair. And this is 100% human hair, you guys. And it doesn't really shed that much. That's the track. And it's pretty long for a 24. So let's check out the 26 deep curl. They label it. They put this net on it like that. And then it was 26. So it's actually longer than 26. This is almost like a 28. I can't even capture it in the video. This mess is long. This is gonna like touch my hip. So I'm really excited. Super soft, you guys. No split ends, no gray hair, and it really is gonna match my hair. So really excited about that. Should just do a curly ponytail. Curls. I really don't usually do extensions, but this company has done me right. For the past 3 years, I've been ordering from them. They're out of New York. They deliver fast. The hair lasts for like, oh my gosh, I think I had there like 6 months or something. I mean, I had it in my head for 2 months. It just lasts. I use it for clip-ins, sew-ins, whatever. I have only purchased the curly hair. So watch this. So with this cherry pop hair, you guys, I'm gonna put down below a 15% off coupon, and the hair is pretty much affordable. You're gonna pay almost under $100 or under $100. It just depends on the length you get. I highly recommend this hair. No, this is not being sponsored. I just want to represent this company because they've done me right for 3 years. When I have special occasion, I want my hair like 26 inches long. Now my natural hair is probably like 22 inches long. It is getting there, but you know, it's nothing like, you know, a little bit like long. I'm going to let my hair down. I oiled it with coconut oil and mustard seed oil and Moroccan oil yesterday because it was super dry. Ooh. I put it in a twisty. See, I really don't need extensions. My hair is getting longer. You guys should watch my other video. The rice water that really helps grow your hair. Color. So when you guys get extensions, you see the colors are off. So I will buy some bleaching powder. It's called Blue, and I'm just gonna put it basically on the tips just a little bit for maybe 15 minutes just to get a little bit of my natural highlight so it can really blend. all my natural hair, and I have a natural hair journey on Instagram. That's Shabli's hair journey. You can follow me. I will follow you back. Okay, this is just 2 rows of clip-ins of the 24-inch in my hair, and later on in this video I'm going to show the sew-in, what it looks like. So if you guys want to see a little bit more of cherry, oh, something in my lip, it's hair. So if you guys want to see Cherry Pop's like pictures of hair, you know, their website will be linked down below. So it is called Cherry Pop Hair on Instagram, you guys. And I'll leave the thing down there below. And so if you can see the before and after pictures, to see what hair works for yours. I do believe they do have like a kinky curly. I've tried that before. This one fits more me. I don't care for body wave or straight because I like the natural hair, you know, curly hair pattern. It shows that there's stores in New Jersey, and it's a phone number on here, and I'll leave all that down below for you guys, okay? So now I'm going to show you the pictures I posted of me with the hair. This was a sew and weave, 26 to 24 inches long. I had it layered. And this was an amazing photo shoot, you guys, that I had with Alonzo. You guys could follow his Instagram at OZO Photography. So I hope you guys enjoyed the picture. I hope you loved the before and after of me installing it in my hair and what it looks like. And let me know if you purchased the hair. Please leave comments down below. Subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, you guys. Yay! It's quite lovely, my dear.